Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. How are you? I hope you and your family are very well today. Okay, thank you for uh, the time. Yeah. So, in this moment, I would like to explain about the how to make a good PowerPoint on your seminar. Okay, so there are 4 points about the making a good PowerPoint. Yeah, for my seminar, especially for my seminar. Yeah, seminar proposal. And the first, making making the effective slide. So the first point is making the effective slide. Yeah, the effective slide. So every slide, yeah, must be done. Yeah, must be done the effective. Yeah, such as there is no the many sentences, yeah, there is no yeah, only the point, yeah, only the point. There are many only the point, yeah, the point of the proposal, research proposal on in the slide, in the every slide. So don't write all of the proposal seminar, research proposal, yeah, uh, in the every slide. And the second, writing the material simply. You write the point, yeah, of the material. Yeah. For yeah, you must write the point. Yeah, only point. Not you write all of the content from the research proposal. Yeah. And the third, making good illustration, such as using good table, using a good shape from the yeah, from the PPT menu. Yeah, you must use the shape, yeah, shape menu on the PPT, yeah, on the PowerPoint, Microsoft PowerPoint menu. Yeah, so it's good, yeah, for to make a PowerPoint because you can write only the point, yeah, using the table, using the slide. Yeah, you make the effective sentences, you make the effective content, yeah, for your PowerPoint. And the final and the last, yeah, don't copy and don't paste the content of research proposal to every slide in your PowerPoint. Yeah, this important. Yeah, so uh, the conclusion is how to make a good, yeah, PowerPoint on your seminar. Yeah, making the effective for every slide. Yes, I think this is my answer. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good evening, everyone. So, for this time, yeah, is the second answer from the questions. Yeah. So the questions: what have you prepared for your proposal seminar? Proposal seminar. Preparing for my proposal seminar. Okay. There are some 4 points. The first, preparing the title of proposal seminar and doing coordination about the title by the supervisor. Yeah. For this first is the yeah, the big point. Yeah, the big point because uh, you cannot do seminar proposal. You cannot do and write the proposal seminar if you don't have a title of the proposal, if you don't have the title uh, of the research proposal. Yeah, so preparing the title of the research proposal and yeah, or the yeah, preparing the research proposal is very important, and you must coordinate. You must do coordination with your supervisor. And the second, making appropriate background of the research proposal or the research or the proposal seminar, yeah, proposal seminar or research proposal, yes, it's the same point and the same meaning of the, yeah, related the title, related the title. So the second point is making the appropriate background of research proposal, yeah. And the content of background, yeah, must explain the reason about the title, why you write and why you do the research, yeah. So you must explain the reason and you must explain some the history example, yeah. And you write all of them, yeah, in your background of the research proposal. Is the second point. And the next point, making the appropriate research questions. Research question, yeah. Research question on the problem of the research, yeah. Yeah, making the appropriate. The research question is about the title. There is a relation with the title. So if the title is about the effectiveness or the, such as the effectiveness, so you must make the research question related to the effectiveness of blah 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 blah. The example is like that. And the final point, making the appropriate method related to title of research question, research proposal. Appropriate method. If your title is about the effectiveness or using blah 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 or such as that, so you must use the experimental method. You don't use you cannot use the exhibition. You cannot use the other method. Yeah. You can only use the experimental research because, yeah, the title is about the effectiveness. That is an example. So making the appropriate method. Yeah. So if you have the appropriate method, you can do the research and you can analyze the data, collecting the data on the chapter 2 of the research proposal. So I think my answer about the preparing my proposal seminar, preparing for my proposal seminar, yeah, is I think my answer. So yeah, I have the addition about the preparing my proposal seminar, yeah, preparing the proposal seminar. The first edition, yeah. You must prepare, yeah, some the references, from journal, from the article, from the thesis, yeah, to support, yeah, your statement and your content in your research proposal. And the second, preparing your mental, and the third edition, you must prepare, yeah, your communication, yeah. So if you do the seminar proposal, so you must prepare, yeah, and prepare the good time, such as 10 minutes or 15 minutes or 50 minutes, 15 minutes, yeah, 15 minutes, yeah, 15 minutes for doing the presentation of seminar proposal. You must train again. Especially you must use the English. Yeah, I think, yeah, my answer about the seminar proposal, preparing for my proposal seminar, yeah, and there are some addition. So there are three addition about my answer. I think enough. This is my answer. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.